Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix VAC authentication error in Counter-Strike. We will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Set or verify integrity of game files. Content open Steam, navigate to your library, right-click on Counter-Strike and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will scan all game files for any corruption or missing data that might be causing the VAC error, and automatically download and replace any problematic files. This is often the first and most effective step, as corrupted game files are a common cause of VAC authentication failures. Step: restart Steam, and your computer content completely. Exit Steam by going to Steam in the top left menu and selecting Exit after Steam has fully closed. Restart your entire computer. A simple restart can often resolve transient software glitches, background process conflicts, or temporary network issues that might be interfering with Steam's connection to the VAC servers. Once your computer has rebooted, launch Steam as an administrator and then try playing Counter-Strike again.
Step: repair Steam service. Content the Steam service, which runs in the background, can sometimes become corrupted and lead to VAC errors. To repair it, open the Run dialog by pressing Windows key retaken and press Enter to open the command prompt. In the command prompt, take program files, Steam bin Steam service seeks repair. Adjust the path if your Steam installation is elsewhere and press Enter. Allow the process to complete. Then restart your computer. This command forces Steam to re-register its service components, which can resolve underlying communication issues with VAC. Step: check for conflicting software and services. Content certain third-party applications can interfere with VAC. These often include antivirus, software firewalls, system optimizers, or overlay programs like Discord Overlay, NVIDIA. GeForce Experience Overlay temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall, and if you use it, disable it before launching. So also check for any background programs that might be injecting code into the game. If the error resolves, re-enable your software one by one to identify the culprit. Then add exceptions for Steam and set in your security software or disable the problematic overlay.
Step: clear download cache and change download region. Content a corrupted download cache can sometimes lead to issues with game updates or file integrity, indirectly causing VAC errors in Steam. Go to Steam, Settings, Downloads, then click Clear Download Cache. Confirm the action and restart Steam. Additionally, in the same download settings, try changing your download region to a different nearby location. This can sometimes resolve connectivity issues to Steam's content servers, ensuring that game files are downloaded correctly and communication with VAC servers is stable. After changing the region, restart Steam before launching. So